Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are. Today I am going to be doing a Doki crate, Japan crate unboxing. So something new, very exciting. I haven't actually opened this month's box yet. I have been collecting these since July last year, so it's nearly a year since I've been collecting, and I thought I may as well document it. These are some of the leaflets that I've had. So I've got July through to April, and yeah, these, what it comes with, and it shows you all the items. But yeah, let's start on this month's box. So this is what the box looks like. It's always got like a different design, but it's always covered by the shipping label, which is really irritating because I just always want to see what design it is. This one's got a little raccoon. But let's get into this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to pull out the items as they come. So this is the leaflet. I'm not going to look in there yet because I want to have a surprise. The first thing I'm going to pull out, because it's so cute already, is a kawaii that looks like a water bottle, and I'm just going to take that out. How cute is that? I mustn't forget my daily beauty routine. I wonder what I should wear today. That is so cute. Oh my god. I love that. Oh! A plushie. Maybe a little cat. Let me get this out of here. Oh my gosh, he's got little rosy cheeks. Oh, he's so squishy. I love him. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's a water bottle cover. I thought it was socks. But it's a water bottle cover for my new little water bottle. And it's got a little booty. I love that. Oh my gosh. What is this? Cool. It's a cooling blanket, I believe. It's got little axolotls on it, and I've actually got matching pillow that came in one of the last year's boxes, so that's so cute. And the last item, guys, is so friggin' cute. Okay. It's a little plate. A little bear plate. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I can have like the cutest lunchtime thing ever. That's it. That's the last of the items in June's Doki box. I'm gonna show you the leaflet. So this is, oh, it's a summer blanket. The perfect blanket for summer is here. Feel cool and fresh this summer with one of your own. They feature a fabric that keeps cool longer and doesn't leave you feeling stuffy and hot. Receive one of 4 designs. So we could have got the Dodge one, but we got the axolotls, which we're happy about because it matches the pillow. There's my little dude. Pet cover bottle. Would have preferred the pink one, but what can you do? The little bottle and the plate. And then this is what you can get. I think it's one person per each month. One lucky subscriber is randomly chosen to win the Suzuki crate filled with huge plushies, cool gadgets, and all things sparkling. And I would cry if I got any of those because it's all cinnamon roll. Like, look at that onesie. Look at that bag. I want. Yeah. I'm going to show you my May box because I actually kept it packaged. I have opened this one, but I just want to show you like other things you can get. I forgot to show you what it looked like on the inside. So this is like the pattern on the inside, and I think it looks so cute. I never want to get rid of these boxes, but like if I kept them all I would have like way too many of them. So this is the leaflet for the May box. Okay, this one's so cute. I've got like it's like bathroom themed. So we've got a little Sumiko Gurashi sponge, which we love Sumiko Gurashi. This is like a soap dispenser, Pom Pom Purin. And then we've got another Sumiko Gurashi item. It's like a headband, like bath time headband, you know the thing. And a Sumiko Gurashi toothbrush. So cute. And then the favourite thing of the May box is this. My Melody bath mat, which by the way, yes, I am going to use it as a rug because why wouldn't you? It is so damn cute. I love it so much, and it will match my rug down here. I'm planning on getting a desk over in that corner, so that rug will be perfect for that corner, and I can't get this to stay. Okay, we're fixed. Sorry about that. So yeah, that is May and June's Doki Doki crate boxes. I'm going to be opening them because I get them per month, so I'm going to do like monthly videos to show you what I get. Also, I will let you know how much this costs. I think it's about £34 British pounds, but yeah, it's worth it if it makes you happy, which it does for me. I get excited the fact that something's gonna come every month that is a surprise and I don't know what it's gonna be, and they're always really good items, and even if you didn't want them, I'm pretty sure you could sell a lot of their stuff because it's all like branded things. It's Sumiko Gurashi or it's My Melody, sanrio. So yeah, all really good. I just quickly want to show you all of the fronts for these leaflets. I'm not going to go through each one because I think that's just a bit time consuming and I think you'll lose interest. But this is July 2020. This is my first one. August 2020. I like keeping all of these, like little collection. So sweet. September 2020, which is so cute, and I got this item in. Ooh, matches my water bottle. This is October. So cute. I love the style. November, cozy vibes. December, even cozier vibes. January, New Year. February is all Valentine's Day themed. March, spring. April, May, June. I think that is so sweet. I love getting these. I love it so much. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. I haven't got anything else to say. If you have any questions about Doki Doki crates, I can go into it further if you like. I've still got all of the items that I bought. I can put them all in one and show you, but I am going to be doing monthly videos on when I receive them, so if you're interested, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, then if you want to subscribe to my channel and press the little bell to get notified when I'm posting. I am planning on a video at the moment for room decorating. You can kind of see in the background. I don't know if you noticed, it's changed a little bit behind there, but I think I'm going to do a full room tour once I've done everything that I want to do, and I'm happy with my bedroom. So yeah, I look forward to that as well. If you have any suggestions of anything that you want to see, please comment below. I don't know why I'm holding these. Yeah, just have a great day. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.